Welcome to our video on starting a business using drones for agriculture monitoring. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you get started. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Precision Agriculture, Using Drones for Crop Monitoring by A.K.M. Azad is a great starting point. For those who prefer listening, check out the Drone Podcast and the Agriculture Podcast. Both offer insights into drone technology and its agricultural applications. YouTube is also a fantastic resource. Videos like How Drones Are Revolutionizing Agriculture by DJI showcase the benefits of drone technology in farming. When it comes to software, DJI Terra and Drone Deploy are excellent tools for data analysis, 3D modeling, and mapping. If you're looking for courses, Drone Pilot Ground School by Udemy covers the basics of drone operation and safety, helping you pass the FAA Part 107 exam. We hope these resources help you kickstart your business in agricultural drone monitoring. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.